A man can paint a room in his house working alone in 5 hours. His wife can do the job in 4 hours. How long will it take them to paint the room if they work together? To solve this problem, we'll use a table to organize the information that we're given. We'll have a row for the man and a row for his wife, and then we'll have columns for their rates, the time that they take when working together, and then the fractional part of the job done when working together. We know that a man can paint a room in his house working alone in 5 hours. Therefore, his rate is 1/5. The wife does the same job in 4 hours, so her rate is 1/4. We'll let x equal the time that they spend to complete the job when working together. Then the time in working together for both the man and his wife are x. The fractional part of the job done when working together will be the product in each row. So for the man, the part of the job that he'll complete is 1/5 times x, and for his wife, the fractional part of the job that she'll have completed is 1/4 times x. Together, they're completing the job, and we have the equation 1/5 times x plus 1/4 times x is equal to 1. Now we'll solve this equation for x. To do that, let's multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, which is 20. So we multiply the left side of the equation times 20, and we'll multiply the right side by 20. When we do that, 20 times 1/5 x is 4x, plus 20 times 1/4 x is plus 5x, and the right side of our equation is 20. Combining like terms on the left side, we have 9x equals 20. And then dividing both sides of the equation by 9, we have x is equal to 20/9. Therefore, the time when they work together is 20/9 of an hour, or 2 2/9 hours.